So this is what my dryer vent looks like. It comes out of the floor down into the basement, and this is made out of a material. It's a foil with metal ribbing, as you can see, and it's what I would consider delicate to the point you can't do a lot of abuse to it, and I'm going to show you why. So you see that bend? I have 3 bends in the run of my dryer vent, just like this. Now I'm on the Amazon page where I bought this. You see where it verifies that I did purchase this on the February 15th of 21. The dryer vent by Smart House Incorporated. And I want to show you why I think they have some false advertising, or maybe misleading. Let me use the word very misleading advertising on the sale of this unit. There you see it's a Smart House Incorporated dryer vent cleaner kit, 30 feet, innovative lint remover, reusable strong nylon flexible lint brush and drill attachment for faster cleaning. Now let's look at this description. Will never break off in your vent. The dryer vent cleaner kit brush is made of nylon, not plastic like all the others. The 23 attachment rods screw together with ease and won't come apart or break off while cleaning. Suitable for all pipes in all shapes, sizes. Many dryer vent hose cleaners only work on straight vent pipes. Our pipe brush is 4 inches wide and can quickly extend to 30 feet. It will slither around corners and turns effortlessly. Attached to a drill for faster cleaning. Every dryer vent duct cleaning kit comes with a drill attachment so you can take your vent cleaning to the next level. Hook it up to a power drill and have a spot-free vent in minutes. And then it talks about that they can be a disaster. 100% satisfaction, always guaranteed. And your search for the best lint trap cleaning tool is officially over. You've tried the rest, now buy the best. Every order comes backed by an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. Product packaging may vary. And we have this from their website. Now I do want to take note of this also on the Amazon page. It shows before cleaning and after. Now I can't say that it will be that, but it looks squeaky clean afterwards. I doubt that this will do that. I think it's supposed to get the majority of the lint, but to get it almost new looking, I would doubt that it does that, but that's just my opinion. And like it says, it comes with a brush, 23-piece bendable rods, which I'm going to show you how bendable they are, and a drill bit attachment. It's actually a hex that will fit into a hex driver or your drill driver to use it in a power mode. Now this, guys, is what is very, very misleading. Now I will take it upon myself that I probably should have done a little more research, done more questioning, but when I saw this, I assumed the rods were very flexible. Now you see how they got these swooping curves, those sharp curves there, and it shows the brush part coming down into this tight curve, coming back up another tight curve. I figured, well, hell, this will work great with mine. Okay. Let's see what my answers are when I asked questions from the seller of this product. Now I'm not quite sure what they mean here when it says dryer vent cleaner can prevent sewer blockage. If somebody knows, please let me know. I'm not sure how does the sewer get tied into your dryer vent. Of course it says dryer breakdown, which is true, and risk of fire. So, but like I said, I just don't understand what they mean by sewer blockage from your dryer vent. Alright, so let's look at what I'm talking about here. This is the brush attachment. It is on the end of one of the rods. On the other end is the drill attachment. So let's just take that off. No matter how many of these you put up, I want to show you how this is flexible, yes, to a point, but it sure isn't flexible enough without doing major damage, total damage to that flexible dryer vent. So in a rigid setting, that would be fine. But I want to show you something. So now we're going to take this and we're going to pull it back. Now it's very, very tight. Very, very tight. The force I'm putting on this would just tear out. Now watch when I let go of it. So there's a lot of force that I'm putting on this. As you can see. So when I got this, that's when I questioned. I thought I would send some questions and find out just what the deal was, because I didn't see this working. In fact, I know it won't work, and I wasn't going to do any damage to the vent pipe and waste my time. So like I said, with 390s that I have, and the way this thing is so rigid to the point, you know, very, you know, I thought it was something a little more flexible. And again, I'll take the blame for that, for not probably doing a little bit more research. Now, I'm not going to worry about returning this. I'm just going to hang on to it, and, you know, 'cause it's just not worth my time trying to deal with returning it. Now, when I bought this on February the 15th of 21, I paid $29.95. But now today, on the 14th of March, as I do this review, it is $27.55. So I've noticed that sometimes prices go down, sometimes even a lot after you buy something. So I decided to ask a question. It had been a few weeks since I bought it. I was working on other things. It was no big deal. Like I said, I knew I wasn't going to return it, but I wanted just to find out. So I went up online first on the Amazon, where you can ask a question, and I said the following: can the supplier answer this? Can the Smart House Incorporated dryer vent cleaner kit 30 feet be used on flexible dryer vents? I do not have rigid vents. Now, as to the online forum through Amazon, I got two answers. The first one was by a Patrick A, and his made the most sense and paralleled mine. It attaches to a drill, so I would think that it may rip the flexible tubing. My dryer vents to a 4-inch PVC pipe. It works well with this setup. 100% agree. Then the answer given by the Smart House Incorporated was, and I'm going to read it just as they have it. Yes, this will push true, T-R-U-E, your 90-degree turns, which basically means they're saying it will push through. Now, I also sent to them personally several questions in case they didn't see it online, and they didn't send me a copy of what my question was, because each time I had to do it, I had to be a little bit different, because I could see they weren't understanding me. So again, I don't have the original question, which I'm at a disadvantage here. But here's their first answer through the personal. This is off the online. This is where you just contact the supplier, the manufacturer, Smart House Incorporated. This is their answer. Again, yes, this will push true, T-R-U-E, your 90-degree turns. You can keep me updated with a smiley face, thanks. You know, like, they never addressed the question when I was very emphatic and told them that I have flexible, and I got into more detail. So I sent them back another thing more on the flexible pipe, a dryer vent. So again, they don't understand. Here's what they said. Yes, it is flexible, smiley face. I wish you good luck. Again, they did not understand the question just by their answer, which was specific to the flexible dryer vent. Their answer states that this unit is flexible. That is not what I asked them. Once again, I contacted them, being a little more specific, stating that my question wasn't about the rods. It was about, will they work with a flexible dryer vent? Okay, my question was specifically, does this setup work with a flexible dryer vent? And they answered that the next day. Here's what their answer is. Now, our dryer vent cleaner is made for your vent pipe. For some reason, most vents are very fragile. So just do it carefully. Have it in mind that if it's too flexible, won't it fit true, TRUE, a 90-degree turn? It is designed for this. Feel free to contact me at any time. And so at that point, it was a wash. I knew I wasn't going to return it, and I wasn't going to deal with them anymore. I was just going to do the video and go from there. Alright guys, there it is in print. Their last answer to me. I want you to be able to read that. So again, for some reason, most vents are very fragile. So just do it carefully. Have it in mind that it is too flexible. Won't it fit true, TRUE, a 90-degree turn? So, I don't know, not very good English here. It is designed for this. Again, some contradictions going on here. So I don't know, I just thought I'd present this because if you're going to buy this, please understand, don't waste your money on something. Like I said, it's not worth my hassle to even try to send it back. I'm going to let the manufacturer, I'm definitely going to let them know, send them a copy of this link. But it is, in my opinion, very, very misleading. And you saw the diagram that's on their website. Shows those tight turns with flexible dryer vent. So, again, if you think that this is going to go through a flexible dryer vent, I think you know better. Now here you see two of them put together. So as you need longer lengths, you're going to need to do this. Now as you can see, I've got this bent at a 90 right now. And so those two connectors are going to offer even more resistance as it pushes through, trying to get in there. Now something that I thought was odd, it came with this small roll of black electrical tape. Now, my only thought is that they want you to possibly tape these connectors together, because you do have to go in a clockwise direction, because if you turn your drill on, or even by hand turn it the other way, they're going to unscrew. So you've got to go in a clockwise direction. Now it doesn't state anything anywhere. I'm making this assumption because why would you have tape? You know, they have directions, or they have, well, I don't know what you'd call it. They have a little thing here that doesn't address why they have the tape. Again, common sense tells me that they possibly want you to tape the connectors together. I don't know, but there would be no other reason than to supply this with that if it wasn't for the fact that they want you to tape the connectors together.